seamless. The human touch, Optimus's remarkable dexterity. One of Optimus's most striking features is its hands. And designed to mimic the complexity of the human hand, these appendages are capable of a wide range of motion. Each finger moves independently, actuated by a system of metal tendons. This dexterity allows Optimus to grasp and manipulate objects with remarkable precision. From delicate tasks like picking up a pin to more physically demanding ones like using tools, Optimus's hands open up a world of possibilities. Powering the future energy and autonomy. Optimus is powered by a state-of-the-art battery system similar to those used in Tesla vehicles. This not only ensures long operational hours, but also promotes sustainability. But what truly sets Optimus apart is its autonomy. Equipped with advanced sensors and AI, Optimus can navigate complex environments without human intervention. It can learn from its experiences, adapting to new tasks and situations. This autonomy is key to Optimus's potential to revolutionize various industries. The potential applications for Optimus are vast and varied. In manufacturing, Optimus can work alongside human workers, taking over dangerous or repetitive tasks. This collaboration can increase productivity while improving worker safety. Beyond industrial settings, Optimus can assist with household chores, elder care, and even disaster relief efforts. Imagine a world where robots help us with daily tasks, freeing us to focus on more meaningful pursuits. Optimus brings us closer to this reality. As with any transformative technology, Optimus raises important ethical considerations. Job displacement is a valid concern, and it's crucial to ensure a smooth transition for workers in potentially automated sectors. Furthermore, data privacy and security are paramount. As Optimus collects and processes information, robust safeguards must be in place to prevent misuse. Open discussions about these issues are crucial as we integrate Optimus into our world.